Welcome back to another T. Blackwell Insurance Tip of the Week. This week I'm going to spend some time talking about the importance of a home inventory. And if you don't have one or don't know what that is, the odds are you probably need one. Here's why. When it comes to home insurance, most people think about insuring the actual structure itself, their home, right? You know, the walls, the floors, the roof, especially in the state of Texas where there's a lot of hailstorms, right? But what people don't spend as much time thinking about is insuring all those things that are inside the home, right? Your furniture, your TV, your electronics. Those are some things that people do think about, but what they often overlook are those miscellaneous small items like maybe all your clothing, your bath towels, toiletries, your toasters, right? All those small things that if you were to lose your entire home in a fire, your mind would always go to those sentimental items, right? Maybe those items that meant a lot to you, maybe a photo book, or maybe it's something that you spent a lot of time on, maybe a computer that you spent a lot of money on. And so when people think about, well, what is my insurance going to pay out when a claim happens, what they fail to realize is that the insurance company needs a record of everything that you own. If you have replacement cost coverage and you're expecting your furniture to replace, it's a good idea to know what kind of furniture you have. In today's day and age where we're carrying around a video recorder in our pocket at all times in the form of a phone that I'm actually recording this on right now, the easiest way to create a home inventory is just to grab that phone, grab that video camera, and just walk around your home, open up your closet, open up your drawers, take a video of everything that you own. That way, if you ever do get in a situation where you lose everything, right, and it's claim time and they're asking you, well, what do you own? Here, you have a video record of it. This is important for renter's insurance as well. If the apartment goes up in a fire, it's the same thing. What do you own? What are those items that need to be replaced, that you need a check for? And that is why a home inventory is so important. Because it definitely can make or break getting the maximum amount, or really the amount that you should be getting to replace those items versus not. Again, this is T. Blackwell Insurance Tip of the Week. Thank you for watching.